In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a PDF to an invoice quickly and efficiently, ensuring your records are kept tidy and comprehensive. This is a simple process, yet it's crucial for maintaining organized documentation and making sure everything is in place for future reference. First, let's get started by opening the invoice you want to work with. Make sure you've got access to the platform or application where your invoices are stored. Once you have logged in, navigate to the specific invoice you're interested in. This might be among recently generated invoices or perhaps part of a collection you're reviewing. It's important to have a good grasp of your filing system to locate the invoice swiftly. Once your invoice is open, you'll want to scroll down toward the bottom section of the page. This area typically holds options for additional actions or extra information. Keep an eye out for the Attach File option, which is usually marked clearly. This feature is vital for appending any supplementary documents, allowing for a richer, more comprehensive invoice presentation. Now, with the Attach File button in view, go ahead and give it a click. This action will prompt a file upload window to appear. In most cases, you'll be greeted by your computer's File Explorer interface. From here, navigate to the location where your PDF document is stored. Be mindful of your file names and organization. Having a consistent naming system can save you a lot of time when trying to locate specific documents. Once you've located your desired PDF file, select it by clicking on it, and then hit the Open button to initiate the upload. Depending on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection, this process could take a few seconds up to a minute, but don't worry, patience is key here. After selecting the PDF, some systems may provide you with a preview of the file or require you to confirm the attachment action. Make sure that everything looks correct and confirm that this is indeed the right document to attach. Double-checking here can save hassle later, especially if this invoice is pertinent to critical business operations or communications. As soon as you're satisfied, it's time to save your changes. Typically, there's a Save button visible once the file is attached, often near the top or bottom of the page. Clicking Save ensures all your hard work remains secured within the system, and the attachment is now part of the official invoice record. And that's it! You've successfully attached a PDF to your invoice. This process will help maintain organized and complete invoicing records, which is beneficial for both audit and operational perspectives. Remember, efficient record keeping can greatly enhance your business's productivity and accuracy. Thanks for following along today, and make sure to check out our channel for more helpful guides and tips.